Hello, good morning. It's a rather wet Wednesday the 14th. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. So official UK inflation has fallen. Headline inflation beat forecast and dropped to 9.9%. Core inflation did not change though, that stayed at 6.3%, so we can expect the MPC to continue tightening monetary policy to try and address that. The unemployment rate fell again. At 3.6%, we're at the lowest level since 1975, but the rate of decline did slow and many expect the economy to start shedding jobs as soon as output slows and demand is hit by the tightening monetary policy. As a reaction to GDP growth dropping below forecasts, the new cabinet is focused on stimulating economic growth. Chancellor Kwarteng has instructed the Treasury to focus on growth to support Truss in her efforts to see off the threat of a prolonged recession. Truss is expected to announce a £30 billion tax cut. It's not clear if she plans to reverse Sunak's national insurance hike, which only came into force in the spring budget, but more details should follow soon. In the market, sterling continues to move away from its recent lows, and we saw 115.20 against the dollar yesterday, and we open around 115.30 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 99.85 this morning. We had US inflation data out yesterday. The headline number beat forecast. That dropped to 8.1%, down from 8.5% last month. And it was mostly fueled by a drop in gasoline prices. But core inflation rose. That was up to 0.6%, up from 0.3% last month. And that will be a concern to the Fed, as it may indicate that higher wages are now spilling over to prices. No doubt the Fed will continue to tighten policy, and we can expect another 75 basis points at their next meeting. There's even a 20% chance of a full 1% rate hike, but that's pretty doubtful. We have retail sales due out tomorrow, and ahead of that, the dollar index is aiming for the 110 level once again. We topped out at around 109.75 yesterday, so keep an eye on another drive higher there today. That's it from me. Have a great day.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.